Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to know the new conditions for profit from TikTok, whether from views or from everything. We will enter our account and know everything, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go to the hair. The first step, my friend, is to go to your TikTok account. After that, click on the three small lines above here, then you will find TikTok Studio. Click on it. After that, here, you will find the square. You will find all types of profit, or ways to profit from TikTok. You will find profit from them. Subscriptions. Profit from live gifts. The Creators Reward Program. The Creators Center. The important thing is that you will find everything here. If you want to know the conditions for profit from a specific feature, for example, we will click on the Creators Anti-Program. Here we will find the collection of rewards for video clips that are more than a minute long. This means that you can earn money from videos that are missed or more than a minute long. To profit from this matter, or from these videos, you must be over the age of 18 years old, you must have more than 10,000 followers, and have more than 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now you can also earn from the gift center. You can earn from gifts. By just activating this gift option, you can join the Creator Center. You must be 18 years old, or at least have 10,000 followers. You have published more than 3 Swedish videos in the last 30 days. You have 1,000 or more real video views in the last 30 days, and your content follows the community guidelines and branded content policies in TikTok. Now, if you want to know if your account follows TikTok policies, you will find the account check. Click on the account check, and all your account, videos and posts on your TikTok account will be checked. If there is anything in violation, it will be restricted there. If your account is good, the account will be written to you in good standing. Canada. Today's topic. I hope you liked it, and you have proven. For any inquiries, any problems, for suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in the next video, God willing.